Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making okra soup. So here I have my blended okra with some pepper and onion. I have my uziza seed grounded, of course. I have my scotch bonnet right here, and I have my nut cubes. Here I also have, I have this oil. I have my palm oil right here, and I have my crayfish. I have my stock fish and my dry fish, and I have the okra that I haven't cut yet, which I will be cutting now. So I usually just use two different, blended and the one that I will just cut. So now I am going to be seasoning and cooking my stock fish and my dry fish. I always put my dry fish first for it to cook before adding the dry fish. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and cut my okra and of course do the magic and everything is cut already. Boom. Then I have my spinach. After that, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the dry fish into the stock fish, for everything to cook together. And then in a separate pot, I am going to be putting in my oil, put in some onion, fry that, and add my okra as well. This is the frying method. They have so many ways of cooking okra soup, so whichever way works for you, but this is what I do. Sometimes I just cook however I feel like. So today this is how I feel like. And after frying that, I am going to go ahead and add in my blended okra. And then of course go ahead and add my scotch bonnet, my crayfish, and turn all that together. After that, I add in my meat stock, and then I'm going ahead to add my uziza seed and my nut cube. And then now I am adding all my stock fish and my dry fish. And I'm going to cover that for it to cook, and after a while, look at that, I am adding the remaining okra because I didn't want everything to look too cooked, and if you don't want it, this is how I do it. So I still have some kind of fresh okra in there, to give it that green color and just kind of more fresh and chunky okra. I just like eating it, like having a feel of that bite. Then I'm going ahead to add in my goat meat. And after that, I'll cover this and let it sit for a while. Let me say 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I am going to now go ahead and add my spinach. So this is what it's looking like. The spinach will be going in right away, and after that you just put off your light and leave it right there. Put off your gas or whatever and leave it like right there, and then your soup is ready. Okra soup is one of the easiest soup to cook. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Look at that beauty. You can use a swallow of your choice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.